At ito pa, si Kim De Los Santos. Kilala ko to from GMA, Ana Karenina. Nurses.org, sabi, Kim De Los Santos, Filipino teen star nurse and mental health advocate. Ito naman, natuwa ako kasi makikita mo talaga na nag-aral pa siya at ngayon, isa na siyang psychiatric mental health practitioner. Natutuwa ako dito kasi nagsimula siya as an LVN or licensed vocational nurse. Yun yung unang level before mag-registered nurse. Pero nag-aral pa siya ulit hanggang sa naging psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner na siya, specializing in caring for patients with depression, trauma, and anxiety. Wow! Ang galing naman. And then, sabi rin dito sa article na to na nung July 2025, so recently lang, last month, bumalik siya sa Philippines to reunite with old friends. And sabi dito, it was about reconnecting with her roots while keeping her commitment to nursing alive. Acting opportunities may be on the horizon, but she remains a nurse at heart. O, diba? Nakaka-relate ako dyan. Gusto ko rin bumalik ng acting, parang masaya. And then,